equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This will not only help with the repair but also improve the performance of your Dyson. If you find this task overwhelming, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. With the back cover removed, locate the cable connection point. You will see where the cable is attached to the motor. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable, ensuring you do not damage any surrounding wires. If you're unsure about this step, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of transporting your vacuum. Once the old cable is removed, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Connect the new cable to the motor by twisting the wires together securely. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, the live wire is brown, the neutral is blue, and the earth is green-yellow. If you're not confident in your wiring skills, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can weigh your options. After connecting the new cable, carefully tuck the wires back into the casing and replace the back cover. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Finally, plug your Dyson HD01 back into the power source and test it to ensure the new cable is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our services include no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get help when you need it. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the cable on your Dyson HD01, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.